Baby facial cream has mercury. Oh my god!
It clears dark spots and scars. Within 2 days of using this face cream, your skin is going to literally feel like a baby skin because it is very active. Before we dive in, like this video and share, and please subscribe. Do it now. Do it now so you won't forget. Babyface now has a soap. It has a soap. So this is the Obonge Babyface cream, small but mighty. First of all, it comes in two different colors, the pink and the gold. This baby facial cream actively clears dark spots and scars in 7 days. Do you believe that? Yes, it does. It clears dark spots and scars within 2 days of using this face cream. Your skin is going to literally feel like a baby skin because it is very active. Remember that mercury in skincare is actually very bad. Guess what? I did my research. I googled about it. I googled if actually babyface has mercury, and guess what I found? Babyface face cream has mercury. Oh my god. But hold on, not this one. So this is the one that actually has mercury, not this particular brand. So question, is this baby facial cream an organic cream? Because the way it's working so fast, I'm scared if Nigeria has not gonna mix rubbish inside it and we are rubbing on our skin. No, calm down. So basically this cream is manufactured in France. So it is a French cream. You don't have anything to worry about. It is a lightening cream, but it's made in France. Third question, can a dark person actually use this facial cream? Well, for me, this can tend to literally give you another shade, but for you to be careful using this as a dark skin person and you do not want to lighten your skin, you have to put this directly on the places you have hyperpigmentation. So let's say you have hyperpigmentation here, you have dark spots here, you have to take the cream and put it directly on those places. Use your lightening cream with your head. Fourth questions, are there counterfeit of this cream? Does it have fake? Does it have original?
Well, yes.
This cream has only been manufactured once, 1805-2024, and its expiring date is 1805-2029. So if you buy this face cream and it has a different date, it's fake. Then the barcode is long. You can see it's long like this. So another question most people ask about this facial cream is that how long can I use it? Is it long term? How often can I use it as well? First of all, lightening cream normally you shouldn't use it like for a very long time because of the active ingredients in the cream. In the direction of the cream, they said apply morning and night all over the face. Even if this cream has SPF of 15, I would not really recommend you to use this morning and night, morning and night. This is a lightening facial cream. You cannot use this consistently. Instead, get safe moisturizers you can use in the morning, then opt for this one at night. So let's look at the ingredients. What is really making this cream so special? Because the review is mind blowing. Many people that have used it, it worked for them very sharp like that. So the first ingredient, number one, is glutathione, which is a lightening or a whitening ingredient. So glutathione is the first ingredient in this cream. For you to see, that is why it's actually active. Vitamin C and E is the next ingredient. Carrot oil, extract, clair blanche, and SPF 15. The work of this face cream. What does it do? It lightens the skin and reduces dark spots. It prevents the formation of new dark spots. It reduces skin blemishes. It makes your skin fresh and new. Your face will be young and every other thing. It restores the skin suppleness and it moisturizes the skin. This is the cream people has been raving about. Is it actually worth it? Is it actually worth your money? I would say it is actually. Though is it every day? Lightening face cream, use your head. Use it 3 times a week. It's fine. Don't be too greedy with lightening creams. Whenever you get too greedy with lightening cream, that is when you see the repercussion. But when you're using lightening cream like 3 times, 4 times a week, and you're also using your safe moisturizer, strengthening your skin barrier with vitamin C or niacinamide or hyaluronic acid, you won't have a problem. Trust me. The pink is mild. The concentration of the chemicals in this pink is mild. Unlike the gold is more stronger. If you know you have poor skin, like very hard, if you know your skin is sensitive and is soft, your skin is soft, you can go for this pink. And are there complaints about this cream? Yes, when something is good, there's also some people that would say bad things about it. At least 20% or 10% of people have complained that it gives them pimples. So if he gave you pimples, make sure you check if it's the authentic one you got. Then check how you are applying it. You're not using it right. Then watch my video again and then go back to the cream. And if at all it's not good on your face, you can always apply it on other parts of your body. Apply on your elbows, you can apply on your feet. Whenever a lightening facial cream is so harsh on your skin, do not throw it away. Apply it on other areas that are stronger, your knees, your elbows. You can also use it to fix the hyperpigmentations around that area.
How do we use this facial cream? This facial cream can be used 3 times in a week. Do not use it every time. Do not get greedy with your skincare. This can be used 3 times in a week. And if you have hyaluronic acid serum as well, you can apply the hyaluronic acid serum first before you apply the facial cream to help protect and strengthen your skin barrier because of the lightening ingredients of the cream.
It contains collagen, it contains niacinamide, it contains glycerin, it contains palm kernel oil, it contains salicylic acid as well. Oh no, the soap is a nice one. So when you then combine these two together, trust me, your skin is gonna be banger, banger. So this two is a very good combo. It's a very, very good combo. And with that, that is all about baby facial cream. If you want more content like this, please subscribe and like this video.
Thank you for watching.